On page 164, exercise 101 says Summertime Fabrics finds that the cost in dollars of producing X jackets is $9.50 plus 15 radical X. Or $9.50 plus 15 times X raised to the 1/2. When we take the cost of producing X jackets, which would be in dollars, and divide by the number of jackets, which is X, what we get when we do this division is called the average cost. The average cost per jacket, because this numerator is cost measured in dollars, and the denominator is number of jackets. When we do this division, we get cost per jacket, average cost per jacket. So we're going to take the cost which is given and divide each term by X. The symbol for the average cost is the C for cost with a bar on the top. So the average cost is $9.50 over X, which is the same as $9.50 X to the negative 1, plus 15X to the negative 1/2. Because when we divide like bases, which is what is here, we keep the base, which is X, and subtract the exponents. X to the 1/2 divided by X to the first is X to the negative 1/2. When the question says find the rate at which the average cost is changing, that means the derivative of the average cost. The rate at which something is changing is the derivative. So the prime means the derivative, but we want the derivative of C bar, which would be negative 1 times 950 times X to the negative 2 minus 7.5 times X to the negative 3/2. C of X is here, C bar. The rate at which the average is changing is C bar prime. To find the rate at which the average cost is changing when X is 400, that means replace all the X's with 400. 400 jackets. X is the number of jackets. Replace every X with 400. I'm going to put this in the calculator. Negative 950 times 400 raised to the negative 2 minus 7.5 times 400 raised to the negative 3/2, and we get negative 0.006875. That's the rate at which the average cost is changing when X is 400. So because this is the rate at which the average cost is changing, we could have used the symbol, the derivative of C bar with respect to X. Since the average cost would be measured in dollars, that's this numerator, and X is number of jackets, The label on this answer is going to be dollars per jacket. Negative 0.006875 dollars per jacket. So this is an odd numbered problem. So the answer is in the back of your textbook. If you would like to try exercise 102 on page 164, see if you can do that. And the answer you get should be negative 0.0579 dollars per bottle.